Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to change Squarespace website template. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. So as you can see right now, I'm in my main menu and I'm going to help section, and here you can see my Squarespace version is 7.1, and if you're using version 7.0, then go to main menu and go to design, and here you will get template option. So from this template option you will be able to change or update your Squarespace website template. But in this 7.1 version, here is no option to change or update Squarespace template. As you can see, here is no option. So for that, you have to go to your dashboard and you can create a new website with a new template, but here is no option to change or update template in version 7.1. If you think to see more Squarespace videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.